This week is all about labor. More specifically, laborious tasks. For instance, insulation. I had the majority of it installed, but all those little crevices still needed to be done. My fish stick came in handy once again, poking and pushing. If you remember back in the beginning, I was having some difficulty cutting the Thinsulate. June's electric carving knife was okay, but not great. Well, I found a much better way. A rotary cutter from the fabric store. Sharp as a razor blade. With a firm hand on a hard surface, a beautifully clean straight cut can be made. Just be sure to wear heavy gloves to protect your fingers. That blade is sharp. I've got a bazillion boards to sand for my tongue and groove ceiling. But I'm not properly prepared. The last time I did anything like this, I was outside, in the fresh air, not worrying about dust. So I built a downdraft box. In theory, the dust is supposed to get sucked down through the pegboard holes and into the vacuum. In an effort to improve the performance, I taped off the unnecessary holes around the outer perimeter. Still not so great. Maybe I need a more powerful vacuum. Of course, once I decided to start improving this system, I took it further. Come on. I gotta show you this. This is really cool. Wait till you see this. Come on. Isn't this cool? I built a fort. When I was a kid, I used to build forts all the time. If we ever found a refrigerator box at the curb or a washer dryer box at the curb, we'd get those home and we'd put them together and we'd cut windows. We made condos. We made villages out of that stuff. Well, I'm doing it again. I had to do it. I had to contain the dust. I had to sand all these planks for my ceiling, and it just got out of control. You know how I am. Things get crazy, but this works. It works. It contains all the dust. This is where I do my sanding. Put the board down. I do my sanding. I got a vacuum with a cyclone attached to my downdraft box. So, in theory, as you're sanding, the vacuum sucks all the dust down through the holes. It doesn't suck all the dust down through the holes, but it does get most of it, and then my fort contains the rest. So until I get a proper sanding station with dust control systems in here, this is going to do it. It works. I put a mask on, I go to town, I do a section at a time, I go out, make a little lunch. I know what you're thinking. Old George has lost it. The Calliope has crashed to the ground. Not so. I'm just having fun while I work. Here I'm back to precision, refining the way my ceiling bands line up to ensure easy in, easy out. When my ceiling planks are ready, I've chosen a soft white paint from the Real Milk Paint Company. Non-toxic, zero VOCs, and 100% organic. Safe for kids and pets. And from what I have heard, the finish on the white in particular is like no other. The paint has to be mixed just before you use it.